In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pounce on new keyword opportunities to help you grow your SEO or your organic traffic. My name is Eric Siu. I'm the host of the weekly entrepreneurial podcast, Growth Everywhere, and the co-host of the Marketing School podcast, which is daily with my buddy Neil Patel. And I create all this content to help you level up both individually and through your business. So let's get to it. Let's check out my screen. So on my screen right here, I'm using a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is an SEO tool. It allows us to kind of take a peek at how they're doing from an SEO perspective, so I can see the different keywords that they're ranking for. And I pulled up one of my favorite glasses brands, even though I don't wear glasses anymore, Warby Parker. But what I want to bring your attention to here is, assuming that you're producing content for your website, you should take a look at this section over here where it says under organic search, under organic keywords, go to new. When you go to new, you can see the different keywords that they have that they have movement in, new keywords that they started to rank for. And these are new keyword opportunities to pounce on. Right here, they're ranking for Justin Timberlake, okay? So they're ranking number 44 in Google for Justin Timberlake. Now let's say hypothetically, they had these new glasses called the Justin Timberlake. And that page that they have is only about 200 words or so, okay? Just maybe it's got like a Justin Timberlake, like here's the frames, and then it's like 200 words. That's an opportunity to fully upgrade, totally deck out that entire post on Justin Timberlake, because they can rank even higher. Because sometimes when you rank for something, Google's like, they're throwing up the alley-oop to you, okay? Alley-oop is, basketball expression. They're passing you the ball so you can dunk the ball, okay? The alley-oop is up in the air, the pass is up in the air. This is your chance to throw in the slam dunk. Just make sure you are out there maximizing the piece of content that is starting to rank well for something. So that's how you pounce on a new opportunity. So let's take a look at some of these other ones down here that they're ranking for. They got kids glasses, for example. They have glasses in an hour. I don't know what that means. Let's say Waves is a big thing for them, or Barnes is a big thing for them, or Somerset, or Yates. Those are just a couple things that you can take a look at to, again, pounce on. So it's really simple. It's not that complicated. You can use a tool like SEMrush, Google Search Console. You can use Ahrefs as well. Any of these tools will work to help you do your analysis. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave in comments what you thought about it, what you think you're going to do to level up. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.